If you're always on the hunt for the coolest kitchen gadgets to make your life easier and your cooking smarter, then this video is your dream come true. Today we are unveiling the 35 best kitchen gadgets of Amazon. So watch till the very end, because the final 11 kitchen gadgets are the most genius ones. And trust me, number 35 will blow your mind. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you love clever kitchen hacks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another game-changing gadget. And hey, comment below and tell us which gadget you'd love to try first, or already can't live without. Let's get started. Number 1. ThermoPro TP03 Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. With its ultra-fast response time of 3 to 5 seconds and high accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, you can ensure your meats are cooked to perfection every time. The foldable probe design makes it easy to store, and the backlit display allows for clear readings even in low light. Whether you're grilling, baking, or deep frying, this thermometer is your reliable companion. Number 2. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. This hands-free device effortlessly opens cans with a simple push of a button, cutting along the side to leave smooth, safe edges. It's especially helpful for individuals with arthritis or limited hand strength, making kitchen tasks more accessible and enjoyable. Number 3. Full Star Vegetable Chopper 4-in-1. 4-in-1 tool allows you to dice, slice, and julienne vegetables with ease. Its interchangeable blades and built-in container minimize mess and save time, making it perfect for preparing salads, stir-fries, and more. Number 4. Zule Kitchen Metal 2-in-1 Lemon Squeezer. Designed for both lemons and limes, this sturdy tool ensures maximum juice extraction with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design and durable construction make it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This multifunctional tool splits, pits, and slices avocados safely and efficiently. Its comfortable grip and dishwasher-safe design make it both user-friendly and easy to clean. Number 6. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Precision is key in cooking and baking. With dual-sided spoons that fit into spice jars and strong magnets for easy storage, this set combines functionality with convenience. Number 7. Mueller Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-Speed Immersion Blender. Its powerful 500-watt motor and 9-speed settings provide versatility, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. It's a compact yet powerful tool for any kitchen. Number 8. Kuhn Recon Pull Chop Chopper / Manual Food Processor. Chop vegetables, fruits, and herbs in seconds with the Kuhn Recon Pull Chop Chopper. This manual food processor uses a pull cord mechanism to spin the blades, giving you control over the coarseness of your ingredients. It's a quick and efficient way to prep your meals. Number 9. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. In just 5 minutes, you can create 2 customized breakfast sandwiches using your favorite ingredients. It's perfect for busy mornings and ensures a delicious start to your day. Number 10. Secura Stainless Steel Electric Milk Frother. Create barista quality frothed milk at home with the Secura Electric Milk Frother. Whether you prefer hot or cold froth, this device delivers creamy results every time. Its stainless steel design and easy-to-clean interior make it a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen. Number 11. Benriner Mandolin Slicer. Its sharp, adjustable blades allow for precise slicing of vegetables and fruits, enhancing both the presentation and cooking consistency of your dishes. Number 12. Lodge Cast Iron Burger Press. This heavy-duty press ensures even cooking and helps achieve that desirable sear. Its pre-seasoned surface adds flavor and prevents sticking, making it a grilling essential. Number 13. Microplane Professional Series Grater. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel blades provide effortless grating, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Number 14. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Its patented pump mechanism and brake button allow for quick, smooth spinning and drying of greens with one hand. The non-slip base keeps it stable on your countertop, while the clear bowl doubles as a serving dish. Designed with comfort in mind, its soft, ergonomic knob and easy clean lid make salad prep not just easier, but genuinely enjoyable. A must-have for healthy eaters. Number 15. Burger Press 7.08 inches. Round heavy. heavy. Craft picture-perfect patties every time with this heavy-duty 7.08-inch round burger press. Built for durability and ease, it shapes your ground meat into thick, uniform burgers that grill evenly and look gourmet. The press features a non-stick surface for easy release and cleanup, while the weight ensures compact, dense patties. Ideal for BBQ lovers and home chefs, it turns homemade burgers into restaurant-quality meals with minimal effort. Your ultimate grilling companion awaits. Number 16. Kaitesensu Premier Garlic Press. Engineered for effortless garlic mincing. This ergonomic heavy-duty tool crushes cloves with one squeeze. No peeling required. Its large chamber accommodates multiple cloves, while the rust-resistant stainless steel construction ensures durability. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher safe design. Whether you're whipping up pasta, marinades, or stir fries, this press delivers instant aromatic garlic without the mess or hassle. A small tool that packs a punch. Number 17. Finamill battery operated spice grinder. Experience spice grinding like never before, featuring interchangeable pods. It lets you switch spices in seconds. Perfect for home cooks who love flavor variety. One-touch operation offers easy grinding, while the ceramic grinding mechanism ensures consistent results. Its sleek, modern design fits comfortably in your hand and enhances any kitchen counter. Elevate your dishes and cooking efficiency with this game-changing spice grinder. It's flavor at your fingertips. Number 18. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Tackle tough microwave messes with a little steam and a lot of sass. Meet Angry Mama. Simply fill her with vinegar and water, microwave for 5 to 7 minutes, and watch her blow off steam. Literally. The powerful steam softens stuck-on food and stains for easy wipe down. Fun, quirky, and incredibly effective, Angry Mama brings a burst of personality to kitchen cleaning while making your microwave sparkle. Functional and fun, a cleaning tool you'll actually want to use. Number 19. Yolk Pig Silicone Egg Separator. Meet Yolk Pig, the cutest and easiest way to separate egg yolks from whites. Simply squeeze, suck, and release for mess-free egg prep. Made from food-grade silicone, this adorable piggy is safe, durable, and easy to clean. Whether you're baking, cooking, or meal prepping, Yolk Pig makes separating eggs quick, fun, and totally stress-free. Compact and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for chefs of all levels. Make egg prep a breeze and bring a smile to your kitchen. Number 20. Deglan 2-inch Finger Guard. Protect your fingers while slicing like a pro. Crafted from stainless steel, it fits comfortably on your middle finger, while a curved shield keeps your fingertips safe from sharp blades. Ideal for beginners and pros alike, it encourages proper knife technique and confidence in the kitchen. Easy to clean and built to last, this small but mighty tool is essential for worry-free, efficient chopping every time. Number 21. Digital Kitchen Food Scale and Measuring Cup. It combines volume and weight measurements in a single tool. Ideal for baking, portion control, or dieting. The digital display gives accurate readings in grams, ounces, or milliliters, while the BPA-free cup includes clear markings for easy liquid measurements. Sleek, smart, and incredibly practical, it's the perfect fusion of technology and convenience to streamline your cooking and baking experience. Number 22. Strainer with 2 clips. Say goodbye to bulky colanders. This compact strainer with 2 clips attaches directly to any round pot or pan, making draining pasta, veggies, and meats a breeze. The flexible, heat-resistant silicone molds securely to cookware edges, holding steady during pours. Its space-saving design is perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone looking to simplify cooking. Easy to clean and store, it turns a common task into a quick, mess-free step. Smart, sleek, and essential. Number 23. Whisk Wiper Multi-Purpose Kitchen Tool. Reclaim every drop of batter or cream with the Whisk Wiper, a clever tool that cleans your whisk in seconds. This multitasker not only wipes clean, but also doubles as a stand and bowl scraper. Designed to fit most balloon whisks, it reduces waste and mess while streamlining cleanup. Dishwasher safe and built to last, it's a must-have for bakers, cooks, and kitchen minimalists alike. Don't whisk without it. This tool is a game changer. Number 24. 5 pieces. Fruit and vegetables cutter set fruit cutting tools. Turn fruit prep into a fun, fast task with this, featuring tools for coring, peeling, slicing, and shaping. It's perfect for apples, melons, citrus, and more. Each piece is crafted for ease and efficiency, with ergonomic handles and durable blades that that cut cleanly every time. Great for kids' lunches, party platters, or healthy snacks, this set adds creativity and convenience to your kitchen routine. Prep smarter, not harder. Number 25. Sobu Cold Brew Coffee Maker is your portable coffee companion. With a sleek, vacuum-insulated stainless steel carafe, it keeps your brew cold for hours. Its fine mesh brewing system delivers rich, smooth flavor without the grit. The compact design is travel-friendly and fits in most car cup holders. Perfect for hot summer mornings or coffee lovers on the move. This gadget lets you enjoy barista-quality cold brew anywhere, anytime, without the cafe price tag. Number 26. Bodum Mealier Gooseneck Electric Water Kettle. Precision matters, especially for pour-over coffee and tea lovers. The stainless steel body heats quickly and evenly, while the automatic shutoff ensures safety. Its stylish, modern look fits beautifully in any kitchen. Whether you're making artisan coffee or your favorite loose-leaf tea, this kettle delivers consistent, flawless pours every time. Elegant, efficient, and made for the true beverage connoisseur. Number 27. Mixing bowls with airtight lids set. Say goodbye to cling film and mismatched containers. This mixing bowl set includes durable stainless steel bowls in multiple sizes with airtight lids for ultimate freshness. Whether you're prepping dough, mixing batter, or storing leftovers, these bowls do it all. Non-slip bottoms keep them steady on your counter, and stackable design saves space. They're dishwasher safe, BPA free, and incredibly versatile. With these bowls in your kitchen, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Number 28. Rolling Knife Sharpener. A dull knife is dangerous, but this rolling knife sharpener keeps your blades razor sharp with ease. The ergonomic rolling mechanism provides a smooth, controlled sharpening motion. With multiple sharpening angles and durable carbide steel wheels, it restores edge precision to any knife, chef's, paring, or serrated. Compact and easy to use, it requires no electricity and is perfect for both right and left-handed users. Get professional level sharpness without the hassle. Just roll and slice like a pro. Number 29. Javar Onion Holder for slicing. Tired of slippery onions ruining your prep? Onion Holder is here to help. With sharp stainless steel prongs, it holds onions, tomatoes, or potatoes in place while you slice, keeping your fingers safely away from the blade. The comfortable handle offers a firm grip, and the evenly spaced prongs act as a slicing guide for perfect, uniform cuts. It's an ideal tool for beginners, perfectionists, or anyone who values precision in the kitchen. Number 30. Sicily Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. Tame the chaos around your sink. This rust-proof stainless steel organizer features compartments for your sponges, brushes, and dish soap, keeping your counter clean and clutter-free. A detachable drip tray prevents messes, and the open design promotes fast drying. Whether you're deep cleaning or doing daily dishes, this sleek and modern caddy keeps everything within reach. It's the ultimate combo of function and style for your sink space. Number 31. Metal 4-pack Magnetic Spice Storage Rack Organizer. Make the most of your fridge or oven side with these magnetic spice racks. This 4-pack offers strong magnetic backs that securely grip any metal surface. No drilling required. Perfect for storing spices, oils, or small jars. Each rack is made of durable, rust-resistant metal and features a protective railing to prevent items from falling. They're a game changer for small kitchens or anyone who loves a clutter-free cooking zone. Efficiency meets elegance in every magnetic shelf. Number 32. Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool. Say goodbye to messy forks and hello to quick, effortless shredding. This chicken shredder tool shreds poultry, pork, or beef in seconds with a simple twist. Made from BPA-free, high-strength plastic, its large bowl-like design keeps meat contained while the internal teeth pull everything apart perfectly. It's dishwasher safe and safer than traditional methods. Whether you're prepping tacos, BBQ, or salad toppings, this tool makes mealtime faster, cleaner, and way more fun. Number 33. Grind your spices with flair. This electric salt and pepper grinder set brings convenience and luxury to your table. With just a push of a button, you'll enjoy freshly ground seasoning at your desired coarseness. The transparent containers show when it's time to refill, and the LED light ensures precise seasoning every time. Stylish in stainless steel, they're rechargeable, adjustable, and a total game changer for cooks and entertainers alike. Number 34. Kitchen Unique Gadgets. Set 6 pieces. This 6-piece kitchen gadget set is a clever combo of form and function. It includes tools like a jar opener, peeler, and cleaning brush, each crafted with ergonomic design and colorful modern flair. Perfect for tackling tricky kitchen tasks, these gadgets are compact yet powerful. Whether you're opening stubborn lids or prepping fruits and veggies, this set simplifies it all. Great as a gift or for your own culinary arsenal, it's the definition of practical meets playful. Number 35, Swedish dishcloths. Toss the paper towels and embrace eco-friendly cleaning. These reusable cloths are ultra-absorbent, fast-drying, and perfect for wiping spills, scrubbing dishes, and cleaning surfaces. Made from a blend of cellulose and cotton, they're compostable and machine washable, lasting up to 100 washes. Soft when wet, crisp when dry, and available in cute prints, they're a sustainable upgrade that saves money and reduces waste. Clean smarter and greener with every wipe. And that wraps up our ultimate list of 35 genius kitchen gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. If you found even one gadget that made you go, "Whoa, I need that," then smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more awesome finds like these. Which gadget was your absolute favorite? Or do you already own one of these kitchen game changers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.